Okay, the goal on this problem is to rewrite our product, cosine of 2 theta multiplied by cosine of 4 theta, as a sum or difference. So as you can see, because we have cosine multiplied by another cosine, this product, I went ahead and pulled up the product to sum formula for cosine multiplied by cosine. As we get going on this, I'll first identify what we're going to plug in for alpha, 2 theta in this case, and then beta is going to be 4 theta. So using the formula, basically, we want to do a bunch of filling in and reducing down. So our original can be rewritten as 1/2 multiplied by big set of brackets, and then it's going to be cosine of alpha, we said was 2 theta, minus beta, which we said was 4 theta, plus the cosine of alpha, again, 2 theta gets filled in here, plus beta, 4 theta. Close off our brackets. From here, we can reduce down some. When we have 2 thetas minus 4 thetas, that'll combine together. And I'm going to also go ahead and, well, we'll leave it like that for right now. We'll say cosine of negative 2 thetas. Our final answer, we're probably going to get rid of that negative on the inside because it'll be a better answer without the negative on the inside. All right, from here, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to distribute this 1/2 to each one of these cosines. And I'm also going to work on getting rid of that negative on the inside. For cosine, we can use the even odd identity. So I'll write that over here. We're using an even odd identity for cosine. To eliminate that negative from the inside, you can simply rewrite it without the negative on the inside. Again, distribute that 1/2, so it makes it to each of these. And we're going to end up with 1/2 times cosine of 2 theta plus 1/2 times cosine of 6 theta. And that's the best solution we can get for this. Hope this helps out. Don't forget, when you're getting rid of negatives from the inside of trig functions, sine, cosine, tangent, and the like, always use these even odd identities to help eliminate those. All right. Hope this helps. Good luck.